How to crochet a popcorn stitch. Place your working yarn onto your hook. First, yarn over. We will be working into the second stitch along so that it is easier to follow. Insert your hook into the stitch and make a double crochet. We are going to make 3 more double crochets into the same stitch. This means that you should have a total of 4 double crochets, which gives this particular stitch its definition and texture. Once you have finished your 4th double crochet, you are ready to move on to the next step. You now need to carefully remove your hook from your yarn without the stitch coming undone. The space before your first double crochet is where you need to insert your hook. Insert your hook through the space and place your loose yarn carefully back onto your hook. We are now going to pull our yarn loop back through the space and chain 1 to secure your popcorn stitch in place. And that is